Here's the app called Overcomer Quit Porn Now. So this is one of the apps for that. Self-reflection questions to build your personalized plan, track your progress, and learn your why. Access tailored tips, tools, and motivational resources. If you're serious about breaking free from this habit, Overcomer is here to help you reclaim your focus, confidence, and energy with less wasted time. This is not just another generic self help app. We aim to empower everyone to achieve lasting change and take control of their habits. While the journey requires commitment and effort, we'll provide the support and resources you need to succeed. And that's basically the idea. So, some positive reviews of this app. It's not yet in top charts, uh, but it has good trajectory on TikTok and some other influencers mentioning it. So here's you can just tap get started, and then there is a quiz in here, so you can also skip it, but like then you can just see the details, and then yeah, here you have it. Then you can just also have a referral code in here. There's like goals and so you can allow notifications, and then you can see that they kind of create some AI plan for you, and then you can just start your journey, and then like you can see the date when for example in first 30 days what you can achieve. So plan includes track your progress, content blocking, personalized plan. So that's what you can see, and then you can just tap to start. Then there are multiple plans. So there is a plan yearly 29.99. There is a monthly 9.99, and yeah, and that's basically what it is. Unfortunately, there is no free trial. Yeah, in this app. So yeah, basically there is no free trial, and there is no limited free option as well. So all of these apps actually require you to upgrade. On the positive note, this is kind of good because it requires some kind of commitment from you. So if you really want to achieve some changes, $10 per month shouldn't stop you. So if it's really the big issue for you, or even like $30 per year, that's if you pay them, then there is some percentage that you will try to at least solve this problem. So it can be a positive encouragement to do that. Because if you're just using some free app, your level of motivation might be a bit lower. So yeah, there you have it. That's basically the idea. So something like that. And there are a bunch of alternatives in this category. If you want, there is there is another app which is quite popular, but unfortunately, it doesn't have free options. You also need to pay in here. But yeah, try it out.